It's me and my friends pounding out a beat with things we found in the garbage. None of us are percussionists, but that's kind of the point. We're also not singers, but that didn't stop us from scatting or creating an improvisational musical about waiting for a bus.
Where is that bus?
Where is that
We all
bus?
like to dance, but none of us are performers until we choose to be. Last year, after being downsized from a TV network, I realized it was time to start thinking like a kid again. To remember the enthusiasm with which I first started making videos. I started a YouTube channel, Inspired Mayhem, and invited my friends to become kids again with me. And it is very much about grown-ups seeing the world again through the eyes of children. When we were young, we would put the shiny new gift aside and instead play with the box. As grown-ups, though, we've learned what's valuable and what's childish. We've learned what everything is for, and we've learned not to do things the wrong way. We've learned to play it safe, and thus we've forgotten how to play. Our videos are not about being good at what we do, they're about having fun at what we do. They are not about competing with each other, but instead creating and collaborating with each other. They are not about doing things the right way, but rather finding our own way. I'm 40 years old now, but I'm a lot younger than I was a few years ago. When I was in my 20s, I got injured easily and stopped taking risks. At 32, my back went out for months, and I knew I had to change directions. After that, I began to play again, to dance from my heart instead of my pride, to start allowing new possibilities, and in a way, to start all over again. Instead of what I thought I knew, I decided it was better to think like a child again, allow myself to be lost, to not have to know where my life is going. Instead, I would let my life lead me. I would say yes to the unknown. I would embrace surprise and see life as a great adventure. With Inspired Mayhem, I am inviting other grown-ups to join me in the adventure, to play like kids again, to be presidents or zombies, to throw tantrums or hug strangers.
That was such a nice hug.
When I started making videos with my friends, I never thought about changing the world, but the world does change, for the better, every time I see that world through the eyes of a child.
Boom, stack, sticking in the stack. Boom, stack, sticking in the stack.